Do you want to send the current location in WhatsApp? You can share your current live location on WhatsApp with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To send your current location on WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Once you are on WhatsApp, scroll down and open the chat with the person you want to send your current location to. Now you are in the chat conversation screen. Here, you will see a plus or attachment icon on the right side of the message input field. Simply find and tap on this icon. A pop-up menu will appear. From the pop-up, select Location. A new screen will appear with different location options. To send your current live location, tap on Send Your Current Location. Now you have successfully sent your current live location to your friend.